Hello, welcome to this video on how to use the Rakuten affiliate marketing platform. In this video, we're going to go through messaging affiliates and communication. To find out more about the affiliate marketing advisor, you can pause the video here. Just notice that certain elements in this presentation have been redacted. So in order to begin messaging your affiliates through the Rakuten advertising network, navigate to messaging, and then that will bring up the menu shown in 2. We have the 5 options. So first option is the inbox, where you can compose a message to your affiliates by clicking the red button with the white text. You can also see message folders. So Rakuten have already set up some for you. One for inbox, one for payment inquiries, drafts and trash. And then in the outbox, process messages that are processing, sent messages and messages that have been cancelled. And you can also add and manage folders accordingly. You can see here there were 3 messages that have already been in the inbox, just for the purposes of this example. There's a number for external emails that have been sent out. And then basically just the from and subject, you can start to communicate to affiliates. Now, it is optional to use the affiliate platform to communicate to affiliates. What I actually recommend you do is when you click on an affiliate's profile is to actually just email them and to contact them via email. I believe the response rates are far better that way, and it just gives you a bit more control over things if you can have them in your own inbox as opposed to having to use the affiliate platform, such as you get email notifications, I suppose, more easily and readily through something like Gmail, as opposed to having to keep checking the Rakuten platform for messages. So if you do want to message affiliates with Rakuten in the compose, you can find message recipients. So you can either search for the site ID or the affiliate name. You can then filter relationship, activity, and offer. And this is good if you want to send like a bulk message. So for your approved affiliates that have been non-active in the last 30 days, you could also send them a bulk message to say if they need help or if they're so interested in promoting your brand. You can also do it through the different offers. Offers are just the commission groups. So if you had, say, all your influencers on a particular commission group, you could then, again, send them a bespoke message. On auto reply, so you can set up, so in this example, and there are a few examples in the drop down that you can utilize. On auto reply, once an affiliate has been accepted or approved onto your program, you can then use change the different offer templates. You can then amend the subject line, the reply to address, and also the contents of the message. And you can see there's some HTML code, their contact names, so it will pull their contact name from the Rakuten network and so forth. So there will be some defaults that Rakuten already set for you. What I recommend you do is actually start a dialogue with affiliates before you approve them, and then when they do join your program, send them a separate email. But it's also good to have this set up as well. And what I recommend you saying this is that they should get in touch with somebody so you can discuss how they're going to promote your brand. And just so you can find out some more about them, and they meet you and you meet them. It's always good to know what affiliates are doing on your program, especially new ones. So transaction inquiries, all that is if, say, for example, the most common instance of this is a customer has transacted via a cashback affiliate, and their cashback hasn't tracked for whatever reason. They will then raise a complaint with the cashback site. The cashback site will then basically present that here, and then you can go and investigate that and either approve or decline the inquiry. And it really depends on just if you have a higher volume of cashback transactions, and this will obviously you'll have inquiries, so you should always keep an eye on this. But there may be other inquiries, such as affiliates may be complaining that tracking wasn't working, or there could be a myriad of issues. So just keep an eye on this. It's quite important to understand transaction inquiries, and they usually relate to complaints or something that's gone wrong. So keep an eye on it, and I recommend that you always reach out to an affiliate about the situation and try and come to an amicable agreement. So deal dispatcher is something that Rakuten do, where they will allow advertisers to promote deals or offers to the various affiliates that are on the network. So definitely recommend you do this. Really good. Make sure you submit your promotion by the 15th of each month. It's just a good way to get your brand introduced to new affiliates, and also to get just more support for important offers. So, for example, Black Friday offers or gifting over Christmas, or maybe have a sale coming up. You can, have a go at filling this in and sending it off, and then you may, see a lot of new affiliate approvals or affiliates contact you directly about wanting to feature and support your brand. So leave a like. I'd appreciate it massively. Subscribe for more content and leave a comment if you have any questions.